Do you want to speak English in a simple, clear way? Listen carefully and practice. Please.
Please.
Please help me.
Please help me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, I am late.
Sorry, I am late.
Welcome.
Welcome.
You are welcome here.
You are welcome here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand.
No.
No.
No, I do not know.
No, I do not know.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe I will come later.
Maybe I will come later.
Always.
Always.
I always drink water.
I always drink water.
Usually.
Usually.
She usually walks to school.
She usually walks to school.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes we eat outside.
Sometimes we eat outside.
Never.
Never.
I never smoke.
I never smoke.
Often.
Often.
He often visits his uncle.
He often visits his uncle.
Again.
Again.
Please say it again.
Please say it again.
Soon.
Soon.
I will see you soon.
I will see you soon.
Late.
Late.
The bus is late today.
The bus is late today.
Early.
Early.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
Now.
Now.
I am busy now.
I am busy now.
Before.
Before.
Wash your hands before eating.
Wash your hands before eating.
After.
After.
We rest after work.
We rest after work.
First.
First.
First, open your book.
First, open your book.
Last.
Last.
He arrived last.
He arrived last.
Next.
Next.
Sit next to me.
Sit next to me.
Same.
Same.
We wear the same shoes.
We wear the same shoes.
Different.
Different.
Our ideas are different.
Our ideas are different.
More.
More.
I need more time.
I need more time.
Less.
Less.
Drink less sugar.
Drink less sugar.
Enough.
Enough.
I have enough money.
I have enough money.
Problem.
Problem.
I have a small problem.
I have a small problem.
Idea.
Idea.
That is a good idea.
That is a good idea.
Plan.
Plan.
We have a plan for tomorrow.
We have a plan for tomorrow.
Dream.
Dream.
I have a dream to travel.
I have a dream to travel.
Hope.
Hope.
I hope you are well.
I hope you are well.
Future.
Future.
The future is important.
The future is important.
Past.
Past.
We learn from the past.
We learn from the past.
Present.
Present.
Today is a gift, a present.
Today is a gift, a present.
Change.
Change.
I want to change my job.
I want to change my job.
Chance.
Chance.
This is a good chance.
This is a good chance.
Truth.
Truth.
Please tell the truth.
Please tell the truth.
Lie.
Lie.
Do not tell a lie.
Do not tell a lie.
Safe.
Safe.
This place is safe.
This place is safe.
Danger.
Danger.
Fire is a danger.
Fire is a danger.
Strong.
Strong.
Strong winds are coming.
Strong winds are coming.
Weak.
Weak.
My phone battery is weak.
My phone battery is weak.
Full.
Full.
The bus is full.
The bus is full.
Empty.
Empty.
The bottle is empty.
The bottle is empty.
Ready.
Ready.
I am ready to go.
I am ready to go.
Important.
Important.
English is important for work.
English is important for work.
Head.
Head.
My head hurts.
My head hurts.
Hair.
Hair.
Her hair is long.
Her hair is long.
Face.
Face.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Eye.
Eye.
I have 2 eyes.
I have 2 eyes.
Nose.
Nose.
My nose is small.
My nose is small.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Ear.
Ear.
My ear is cold.
My ear is cold.
Neck.
Neck.
My neck hurts today.
My neck hurts today.
Shoulder.
Shoulder.
His shoulder is strong.
His shoulder is strong.
arm,
arm,
raise your arm,
raise your arm,
hand,
hand.
my hand is clean,
My hand is clean.
finger,
Finger.
I hurt my finger,
I hurt my finger.
leg,
Leg.
my leg is tired,
My leg is tired.
knee,
Knee.
her knee hurts,
Her knee hurts.
foot,
Foot.
my foot is big,
My foot is big.
toe,
Toe.
I hurt my toe,
I hurt my toe.
back,
Back.
my back hurts,
My back hurts.
stomach,
Stomach.
my stomach is full,
My stomach is full.
heart,
Heart.
my heart is happy,
My heart is happy.
teeth,
Teeth.
brush your teeth,
Brush your teeth.